Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another magic wand pour. It's a pour when I pour over this bamboo stick. I call it magic wand because it creates some magic on canvas, and I will use my split cup with 6 chambers. I have some good news. They are on the way to the States. They are already in Europe and I believe in Australia, so should be available for purchase on Fluid Art Co website soon. Yay! I'm so happy. For the colors, I will use Payne's Grey, Iridescent Green, Blue by PBO, Cyan Blue, Amsterdam, Permanent Blue Violet, Permanent Red Violet, and Gold, and I have some Pearl White, and I will pour Pearl White on top of all the colors to get some maybe nice effect. So I will start with this Payne's Grey and Iridescent Blue Green. I love how those two look together next to each other. So I will basically have some blues on one side, blue tones, and some purple tones with the gold on the other side. I don't know. And I'm working on 12 by 16 inch canvas today. And maybe I will, when I will pour this on, maybe I will spin it out instead tilting. I will see how the pattern will look like. I will link some previous pours. Love those colors. Magic wand pours in the description. I will just pour Pearl White on top because I love the effect from that. In my previous pour, so just top it up with white, and I have just white for flow extender if needed. So I will basically just wander over the cup, and I will go kind of fast first because it just mostly just pearl white. What is this? There is something in there. I managed to catch this bugger. I love the drips, and I love the patterns that you get with this kind of pour. Now I will go a little slower. with those colors. There is way much more gold that I was expecting. Now I will wait for those drips to fall, to drip. really love this blue. I really love those details. Gorgeous. And I love the stick. Here is where is pearl white. Just weird that there is so much gold. Yeah, it's 24K gold, so maybe that's why. See, this part is mostly gold. This bottom part is just gorgeous. So I definitely want to lose some of the bottom part and keep more of the top one. I will add some flow extender here on the top part because, and a little bit here too, because as I said, I want to lose more. Oh my god, I love those colors together. I have to do a split cup normal one with those colors. Have enough of the paints mixed for another one, so I will do one without magic wand. Okie doke. So I will go to this part first because I don't mind to lose some of that gold parts at all. Wow. I'm done. I love it. It is a chaotic one, but all those details are just amazing. This is my very favorite part of the whole painting. Maybe I will go a little slower next time and see what difference will it make, or maybe just pour on one spot over the magic wand. You see how so hard those drips make really beautiful patterns. So I'm happy. Sorry, not dry result again. I was a little on the weather last week almost, so I didn't paint it. I just published some old videos, so let me know in the comments, what do you think if we pour just on one spot? Will it make any difference? Let's try that next time. Thanks for being here, and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!